Let's unbox the Outre X-Pression Springy Afro Bulk. This is 100% human hair bulk that is made from Remy Springy Afro. This product is a bit different from regular Afro bulk because it comes already pre-stretched. You can use this for locks, twists, or even just to install a crochet afro. The weight of the product, including the packaging, is about 150 grams. Let's get into the texture. It is soft and springy, but it also has a feeling of durability when you hold it and when you stretch it out. I also really wanted to do a comparison between this product and the synthetic Springy Afro twist because these both say on the packaging that they are 16 inches, but as you can see, they look quite different next to each other. The synthetic Afro twist appears to be twice the length. When I pulled out a piece of the Springy Afro bulk, I found that it actually has quite a bit of stretch to it. So I pulled out my ruler and as you can see, it does stretch to 16 inches. Whereas with the synthetic Afro twist, it is 16 inches unstretched length. I've previously done an install with the synthetic Afro twist and I look forward to trying one with this human hair one. If you'd like to see that, feel free to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and thank you for watching.